Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use the COUNTIF function. Okay, just to recap, what is count function? Count function, you are just counting the number of records here. For example, I want to count the number of countries here. You can count it. Okay, how to do count? Simple count equal to count the data set, enter. So you'll get a number of countries 11. Okay, what is COUNTIF function? COUNTIF. Okay, so I'm going to show you the sample for COUNTIF function. I want to count each record only when the value is 100. You are adding a if condition to the count. Okay, how to do that? For example, I'm going to number of country strength, no, employee strength is 100, for example. Okay, I'm going to count the number of countries whose employee strength is 100. Country. Okay, equal to, what I'm going to do is equal to count if. What is the data value set? Data set is B22, B12. Now I put the condition. What is the condition? If condition. The criteria. Only when, count only when the value is 100. The strength is 100. Is equal to 2. So it returns 2. Obviously, the country's value is 100 is equal to 2. Okay, how many countries having value 1000? Okay, how to do that? The same thing, change it to the formula, change it to 1000, but before that there is a change. Data set also moved. It has to be to B12, and the value is supposed to be criteria as 1000. So it is only 1. Okay, what if my employee strength is less than, okay, good, less than 500. How many countries? Less than 500. Okay, now it is also the similar. Less than 500 is 400, 200, 205 countries. How to do that? Count if what is the data set? B2 to B12. Now you put the criteria, but this time you have to put it in a quotation mark. Quotation less than 500 is the criteria. Enter. This is 5 countries. Okay, 5 countries. You can also make it, okay, instead of less than, I want more than. No problem, change it to greater than 500. That is also 5. More than 500 is 5. Or in case we want to change the number, we can make more than equal to 6. So more than, greater than or equal to 500 is 6. This is the way you can make COUNTIF function to count a set of values only if the criteria is true. For the criteria you can use the logical operators, so less than, greater than, not equal to, greater than or equal to, something like that, how you use it in the if condition. Hope this video is helpful to you. See you on the next video. Thank you.